Hello everyone. So today I have a message for you. Okay, this is going to be a long message because this is a channel message which was coming to me since morning. Okay, so I'm going to slowly and steadily tell you all the signs. Okay, the first sign which I got was that ocean is very significant. Okay, maybe you are somebody who is a diver who dives in the ocean, or who is connected with the ocean in any which way. Okay, maybe you are into marine biology, or maybe you are working for the navy. Okay, so yeah. And the second message which I was getting was pearls are very significant. Okay, maybe you are connected to the moonstone. Okay, the white color moonstone or pearls is something which you like. Okay, another important thing which was coming was starfish. Okay, in some way or the other, starfish was just coming into my mind and thought. Okay, and stars are very significant for you. Maybe you like the night sky and you love to see the stars. Okay, and magic. You are somebody who loves to you are somebody who believes in magic and miracles. Okay, you know that magic is for real. You believe in that divine power of the universe, of the god. Okay, another important thing which was coming was color blue. Color blue is very significant for you. Okay, you love seeing the sky and you love seeing the water. Okay, so you may be a coach, or you may be somebody who is related to water, anything in that sense. Okay, maybe you love water animals. Okay, and you are somebody who works with those kind of professions. So another important thing what was coming is that you have gone very deep in your heart. Okay, there's something about your heart chakra which I was feeling. Okay, that you are somebody who feels emotionally a lot. Okay, you are a very emotional person, and if something doesn't click with you, okay, click with your mindset or your soul or your heart, then it's very important for you. Maybe you shut your doors towards that particular person or a situation. Okay, so for you the heart chakra is very important. Okay, so I would say that if there have been incidents with you in the past where people were deceptive, people were wrong, and you have shut doors on those people. Okay, I would say right now work more on your heart chakra. Okay, say that I release all the past energies, all the past people, past places, situations, energies which no longer serve my highest soul calling purpose. Okay, and as you keep saying these affirmations and keep releasing these people, the new things will start happening for you. Okay, you are also somebody who is very intelligent. Okay, and you are very much aware about the universe. Okay, so you understand the synchronicities of the universe. Okay, this is also what I was getting for you. And yes, I was being called to take some more guidance for you. Okay, let's see what do we have from the tarot today. Yes, the wheel of fortune is in your favor. Okay, the right karma is in your favor right now. Okay, the wheel is turning in your favor. You are somebody who travels a lot. Okay, you are somebody who is going to be very happy because this is your justice. Things are moving forward in your life. Okay, just like I said, you feel a lot. So here you can see there's water element. Okay, so Knight of Cups is somebody who feels a lot. Okay, so this horse over here is standing on the water, and you are somebody who loves to be alone also. You don't love to gossip, or you don't love to unnecessarily talk, or waste your energy. The sun god is helping you, Surya Dev. Okay, so things are going to be very good for you, very favorable for you. Let's see what else we have, because there were a lot of messages I was getting since morning for you. That you are very deep within. You are somebody who has done a lot of inner work. Yes, stand in your boundaries. Also, I was getting a feminine figure in the morning. Maybe you're somebody who has also had mother wounds. Okay, it can be for some of you. Okay, maybe it doesn't resonate with everyone. So claim what is right for you. Okay, and leave what is not. So this is somebody in boundaries. Okay, so maybe you have learned to maintain boundaries with people around, especially with women around. If women were not right if you are a masculine, and if females were not right for you, if they have been deceptive in their energy with you, so maybe you have now maintained boundaries. Okay, yes, because this is a card of deception. Okay, so there was deception in the past, there were some arguments, bullying, feeling cheated. Okay, those kind of energies which made you to go in this hermit. Okay, which made you to go alone and reflect a lot. But right now you are healing your heart space, and you have healed also a lot. Okay, yes, you are somebody who takes slow steps. Okay, you are not somebody who just goes and takes a lot of actions immediately. You take slow steps because of what you've been through. But yes, now the sun god is helping you. You have cleansed, you have released the past cycles. You are now in this new cycle, in the new zone of feeling happy. People who have done wrong to you, they are going to get karmic repercussions, because this is a card that they are going to have sleepless nights. Okay, if they've done wrong to you, they are going to have sleepless nights, is what I'm feeling. And whatever burdens, because today I was also seeing burdens. Okay, I was seeing 2-3 people, and they had a lot of heavy burdens on their head, and that is the time also I was getting this. Even this is a card of burdens. Okay, so whatever burdens you have of other people on your head or on your shoulders, please release that, because they are not your burdens to carry, is what the spirit was telling me. The god was telling me that clearly. They are not your burdens to carry. Please, if you are listening to this and if you resonate, please let everybody take their own burdens. Here also we have hermit. You have been alone a lot. Okay, you have been in this self knowledge a lot. You're gaining a lot of knowledge, okay, about yourself. You have been through a lot of hardships also, okay, where people have left you out in the cold. People were not right, like I said. But don't worry, you will have abundance in your life. Okay, and you will have right people in the life, because this is a feminine who is abundant in her energy, in her aura. So you will have the right people in your life. Okay, the right partnerships, the right things. Keep moving forward now. Maybe you're going to come out of hermit zone. Okay, and you're going to celebrate your life. You're going to have a lot of celebrations in life, collaborations, the right people, the partnerships. And I was getting justice from a long time. This is the card of justice. Universe is going to give you karmic justice. So please claim this reading, okay, if you resonate with it. And we'll also see one angel number for you. 55. And I was actually getting 55. I had seen 55 and 444 today. Be grateful. Gratitude, abundance, acceptance, positivity, contentment, reciprocity. Stop dwelling on problems you cannot solve or situations that bring you down. Embrace gratitude and reciprocity for what life offers, and you will align with your soul's desires. What are the 3 things you are grateful for? Please write down, please journal them down. Make a list of things you are thankful for today and take a moment to express appreciation for them, allowing yourself to feel content and open to more receiving. So come in that receiving mode, okay? This is the number 55, okay? And allow things to unfold for you, allow universe to unfold the right things for you, okay? So whether you're a divine masculine who's gone through a lot, okay, with the feminines, or you are a divine feminine who has gone through a lot with the wrong masculines in life, or both, it can be both also. So you are going, the sun god is helping you, the wheel is in your favor, you are going to get your justice. Just lay down all the burdens. You don't need to carry anyone's burdens, let them carry. Surrender the burdens to the god and keep moving forward. Keep doing your inner work, the more inner work which you have done, and start meeting the right people, the right collaborations, the right things and the right opportunities.